Hi everyone, Ollie here, and today we are diving into Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course. Is it the ultimate guide to YouTube success, or is it just another rehashed online course? Right, so whether you're looking to start a YouTube channel from absolute scratch, or you're looking to scale an existing channel and ultimately make money from YouTube, with or without having to show your face, then this is the course for you. It's a complete step-by-step guide, taking you from the beginning steps right the way through to the growth steps and beyond. Predominantly, it's focused on starting a faceless YouTube channel, so this is one where you do not show your face, but it's absolutely applicable to anyone who features within their video, so have a branded YouTube channel. Also for anyone running business YouTube pages as well. So within this course, there are no hidden upsells. You get absolutely everything you need to succeed. The tutorial videos are clear and easy to follow. You get loads of PDF attachments as well to further add to the videos. As I said, it's a step-by-step guide A to Z. The support time from Matt and his team is pretty fast. The course is suitable for newbies as well as intermediate learners. You get lifetime access, so any updates, you get all of them as well. And finally, there's a private YouTube group attached to the course, which you get access to. At the time of filming this, is about 6,000 plus members, and it's really active. So yeah, an absolute massive bonus as you get a community alongside the course as well. Well, I'm someone who is very cautious by nature. I really do my research before I purchase anything. I wouldn't say I'm skeptical, as I'm open to opportunities. However, you really do have to prove to me that what you're selling is legit and not just a smokescreen. So fun fact, I spent months watching Matt's YouTube channels, looking through his social media stuff, and really kind of gauging whether he was legit. When I got to the point where I thought, yeah, I think he is, I reached out to him and I spent a further, I think it was about 2 weeks, really chatting backwards and forwards to kind of really ascertain whether it was a course that I wanted to purchase. Spoiler alert, it was. So I wanted to make this video to help anyone doing the same as I did back then, now that I've had access to the course for quite some time and I've started my YouTube channels. Also, if I can help anyone create another stream of income, then that's another massive bonus for me. After all, it's one of the reasons why I started this channel. It's an amazing course too, and Matt is a genuinely really nice guy and extremely knowledgeable. The course and Matt has massively helped me to not only set up my Faceless YouTube channel, Explorable, but also my branded channel, which is what you're watching this review on right now. Right, so like me, I wanted to see what the course was about and what I was getting, so let's dive into the course and I'll show you the Facebook group as well. Okay, so this is the website that you get, and when you come through, this is where you'll find all your videos and material. You've got the first section, which is obviously a little welcome video. You then have a link to join the private Facebook group, which I'll show you now. 6.1k members. So yeah, as I said, it's really active. Like, there's just lots of people in here all doing what you're looking to do, from beginners right the way through to experienced people helping out. So you can chuck questions in there and get community advice, which I think is really, really good. Right, so look here as an example, step-by-step checklist.
So now I wanted to give you a stepped course. So let me open up the checklist and show you exactly how to use it.
Look, you get links to
All right, so after
Google
you
documents.
Open the checklist, it'll look something.
And yeah, it's very thorough. Very like, this is what you do first, then this, then that, then that. Which for me personally, I love the systemization of it. Right, so gives you an overview. Then you have to pick a niche that you're going to be in. And you know, there's literally so much information here. It goes through what are the best high CPM niches. CPM stands for clicks per milli, I believe, which is how much you're going to get paid basically per 1,000 views and beyond.
In this lesson, we're going to be going over, finally, I'm going to show you how to increase CPM outside of niche in the financial niche.
So,
now,
you know, it goes through all of the different high CPM niches, ones where advertisers or the biggest companies are going to advertise on. And that really kind of starts making you think about what your niche is and what you need to pick and what you're interested in and all this sort of stuff. Added to that, look, again, another sort of like list. You get Google documents with example channels as well. So he'll literally give you all of the information with real-time examples as well of channels that are doing well. He also goes through niches to avoid and then how to do your market research to pick a channel. Right, so once you've picked a niche, you then need to set up your channel. This is literally, I mean, some people might know this, but it goes through from creating a Google account all the way through to like setting the essential optimization settings within your channel, how to make logo and channel art, absolutely everything. It's really, really, really good. And this here is worth it in itself. The secret keyword process, which I'm not going to show you because you've got to buy the course, but he helps you literally pick out your keywords, and it does take a little bit of time, but once you do it, you don't need to do it again. And yeah, this is what's going to help you SEO and get your videos in the search bar and in front of people ultimately, and more views equals more money. And as you can see here, he does do extra videos as well, so if anything becomes outdated and he needs to update anything, he'll chuck in new videos with up-to-date information. Right, so now that your channel is set up, Matt goes through how to generate videos, the autonomy of a viral video, you know, how to systemize your videos. He is very, very systemized, and he does something called batching, or recommends you to do something called batching, which is creating all your scripts, then going and filming it all. Do you know what I mean? Doing all the same sort of tasks, rather than like doing a script, then doing a voiceover, then doing the video, then doing the editing. He says like do a load of scripts, do a load of voiceovers, etc, etc, which you can obviously do or not do, it's up to you. But he goes through everything you need to know to do YouTube videos, to how to create it, how to come up with content ideas. You know, if you're in terms of video editing, you do not need to know how to video edit. You can use free video editors. I personally use Final Cut Pro, and I've been doing a bit of video editing for quite a few years now, but my knowledge is pretty basic to intermediary. But yeah, he'll go through everything, like how to do thumbnails and all this sort of stuff. And then he literally, there's this video here, is a 2.5 hour video of him doing the exact step from start to finish of how to create a video, how to upload it, how to do thumbnails. Like, it's the whole thing, 2.5 hours worth. It's absolutely brilliant. Like, this is literally everything you need. It's so detailed. Like, I was just so impressed once I bought this course. I was just really impressed. And look, you know, there's even more videos in here, 2 whole pages through it. He goes through how to use fair use stuff, how to be more productive and batching, which we've already spoken about, recommended gear. Yeah, it really is a highly detailed course with everything you need to know. Like, I can't stress that enough. Then it comes down to how to optimize, uploading and optimizing videos, making a content calendar and all that jazz. Again, really, really good. These I've watched, but yeah, as you're then growing, you know, how to go viral and all this sort of stuff here. Look, you can see how much detail there is. You know, the videos aren't short either. They're 10 minutes, like half an hour. I mean, going back up, I don't know, free video editors as an example, 35 minutes. So you can see from up here that there's 75 lessons. Some videos are really short. Others go into so much detail. There is hours and hours and hours of content here, and that might put you off, but it shouldn't do, because like I said, you kind of logically go through it, and you don't have to take it all in at once. You just kind of go through it, and that's what I'm saying. The value in this course is unreal. So showing you, let's go further down as well. So we've got generating videos, blah, 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 growing, monetization, ways of making money on YouTube ads, how to increase your CPM. Obviously, I haven't even watched all this stuff quite yet, but you can see that there are other ways. So not only is there YouTube ad revenue, you could obviously post affiliate links. You can obviously, you know, sell digital product, all this sort of stuff. Yeah, it's absolutely, there's so many, like, this module goes through all the different monetization methods, and then scaling and outsourcing. So if you want to take this to the next level, you can learn to outsource every step of the process, apart from coming up with video ideas and uploading it, really, essentially. So the voiceovers, video editing, all that can be outsourced, and Matt goes through how to do that, essentially. Yeah, add in a ton of bonuses as well. And this course, do I need to show you any more? Like, how good is this course? It is unreal. I'm going to pick a random video. I don't know, look, best CPM niches, yeah? Alright, and that's a little short one. His videos at 16 minutes. List profitable niches, 6 minutes. Niches to avoid, 10 minutes. Doing your market research, 20 minutes. So do you see how much, again, how much detail there is? And, I don't know, picking one video.
Now let's talk
down
about
here like
the
I
pitfalls that I see aren't worth the
and it's
time.
just
See,
clear.
because I want to avoid, or the first type of content, really, to say that, and is definitely advertising to kids. Huge meditation channel, make money do. knowledge that you're discovering in this program get monetized.
Yeah.
But it'll,
you see what I mean? Very clear videos, easy to follow. Sometimes you get a PDF attachment if it needs it, with little checklists and stuff like that that you can print off and follow, or even just like save on your computer and stuff like that. So that's a very, very quick overview. Like I said, you get the Facebook group as well, and a massive, massive course. Fantastic. Oh, I cannot rate it enough. Would I recommend buying it? By this point, you should know absolutely. I've just gone through the amount of detail, structure, and knowledge that you get from buying this course. It's literally everything you need, isn't it? But it only works if you do. If you don't put in the time and work, then obviously it won't pay off. Really is that simple. Is it good value for money? Absolutely. I personally think if the course was 3, even 4 times the cost, then it would still be good value for money. But hopefully Matt doesn't see this and puts up the price. Have I made money from YouTube yet though? No. I started back in March of this year. It's now September. So Matt recommends posting 3 videos a week, and I have posted probably 1 every other week due to running my real estate businesses and having 4 kids at home. So I'm really taking the side hustle approach with this. However, to become monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I've got 12,000 watch hours and just over 600 subscribers. So to me, that shows that this stuff really does work. I'm absolutely going to get monetized. So when I do, I will make another video, and hopefully I'll be able to show you the first couple of months worth of revenue. Right, so that's it. I hope you found this informative and it's helped you out. If you have, and it has, and you're looking to buy the course, then use my affiliate link in the description, as it massively helps me out and it doesn't cost you anything extra. Any questions, let me know.